Machine Sentry Next Generation.
Building the hierarchy in Machine Sentry is faster and easier than it has ever been before. The first thing to note when it comes to building in the hierarchy is that it is access dependent. If you feel you do not have the correct access level, please contact your Machine Sentry site manager or the AVT reliability support team. Now onto building. Once you enter a site from the Machine Sentry homepage, you will be automatically at the highest level of the hierarchy, the site level. To add an area below this, click on the three-dot menu to the right of the site name and select Add Area from the drop-down menu. This will open a prompt window where you just need to enter the new area name and code. Once you hit Add, the new area will appear below your site in the hierarchy. Now that we have our new area, we have a couple of options. Firstly, I want to add further detail to said area if required, so highlight the new area in the hierarchy, go back to the three-dot menu, and select Edit. A pane will open on the right-hand side of the screen where you can add further detail about this particular area, such as primary contacts, an image, whether there is an ATEX requirement here or just general notes. Once you have finished, hit the Save button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After this, we can either add another area below the new area, or we can add an asset. To add another area, you simply repeat the process we have just been through, but by selecting the new area first in the hierarchy. Once you are ready to add an asset, select the area where the asset resides in the hierarchy, select the three-dot menu next to the area name, then select Add Asset. You will be greeted with a similar prompt window as before, but with a couple of additional fields. We first have to give the asset a name and code reference. This needs to be specific to that asset and clearly in line with the name and references used on site for easy identification. You will then need to select an asset type. So within the asset type box, you can search for whatever type of asset you are trying to add. In this example, we will start to search for a pump unit, and as you can see, as you start to type, various options will start to appear below. Once you find the type you are looking for, simply select it. At asset level, we do not have any templates to select from. This is only applicable to the component level, which we will cover in the next video. So once you have a name, code, and asset type, hit the Add button at the bottom of the window. In the same way in which we edited an area, we can go back into an asset once created to add further details such as model and serial numbers, asset categories, and asset criticality. Another way in which we can add levels to the hierarchy is by right-clicking on the hierarchy level and choosing the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Whichever way you choose to enter is entirely down to user preference.
Machine Sentry Next Generation.